If your Roomba has a side motor error, like on the top of the screen, like here, it'll be a little blue error. It'll show that your motor's not spinning. Really simple change, probably take you a minute, minute and a half to change. Cost you 14 bucks. I'll include a link to buy the new part. New part FBA-HCD M036 for the Roomba 780. But that's a standard part for a lot of the Roombas. So you saw the little blue error on the side. What you want to do, take out the bin, flip the bod over, and then your motor, your side motor is right here, obviously. Take the screw out. It's just a regular Phillips screwdriver. You'll have to pop the battery cover off. That's a regular Phillips. Take that off. And then you'll take off this screw that's right behind the back tire. And then there's one over here behind the other back tire. Pop that tire off. Set this piece aside, and there's your motor. The little guy is busted up, so you want to take a smaller Phillips screwdriver, and there's just 2 screws that hold this motor in. Just to loosen those 2 screws. If you wanted to change your battery, good time to change your battery. Just pull that out. Here's the new motor. Bought it on Amazon for $14. Came with a new brush, so it's a pretty good deal. Just push the motor in and put the screws back in, 2 little screws. Put your cover back on. So the 4 screws, 2 behind the tire, 2 to hold the battery back in. Just you want to take the tire off, clean the tire, put the tire back on. Tire doesn't have to come off for this, but you got her upside down, you may as well take that off. Put your new brush back on. Turn your robot over. Put your bin in. You're good to go. Got a new brush and motor. One minute. Nope, 3 minutes.